Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. As you can see here, I have a package. This is a Notifier device. I'm going to cover up the model number here. So I traded this with FireTech, so if you've seen his channel, you probably know what this is. And we can go ahead and open it up. And you can probably already see what it is. I'm not sure if this is, I'm getting two things here. I'm not sure if this is the NCA-2. Oh yeah, this is, okay. So this is the NCA-2, which is the network enunciator for it. The only thing is it's missing one button, that's just for uppercase lettering. He never actually got a chance to test this, so I'm not sure if it works, but I think he got it for like a working environment, so hopefully it works. Alright, so now we can go ahead and move on to the main part here. And here we have the Notifier CPU2-3030D. This is the CPU for the Notifier 3030. As you can see, it has a really big LCD screen. It has all its terminals at the top, USB. And this thing works with some of those other Notifier parts that I was unboxing a couple of days ago, so if you haven't seen those, there's probably a link down in the description for those videos, but yeah. Alright, so here are the two. They're in really good condition except for the missing key right there, which is pretty good considering what I traded this for. If you don't know, I traded these two for my Silent Night 5808, so FireTech probably is going to have an unboxing of that within the next couple of days on his channel. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow.